guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time since you guys last saw me. However, if you've never been here, my name is Sarah. If you've been here before, welcome back. I miss you, babe. As you can tell by the title, we're gonna be getting ready to go out of town for my best friend's birthday. I just made it to my nail appointment, waiting for my nail artist to arrive. These nails need to get done. It's been a while. I'm getting me a Russian manicure hard gel with tip. So I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna bring you guys along with this on this process because I've never had this done before, and I know there's probably someone out there wondering what the Russian manicure consists of. So yeah, we finna go in here when she arrives, and I've already asked her if it was okay for me to record content because I'm not the type of person to just walk into private places without like confirming that it's okay for me to record content, because I respect people's privacy. Like I said, everybody don't do Russian manicure, so maybe it's a technique that she's trying to teach a class. Even if I was to record, I wouldn't include detail for detail, but I still wanted to make sure it was okay with her first, and she's totally fine with that. So I'm gonna get a couple clips in here for you guys, so that y'all could just see like her technique. And I'll also leave her information down in the description bar if you guys want to reach out to her, schedule an appointment. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it took me a minute to get me a little appointment, but like
I just baby thing. Okay. Which one you saw me? This is first one.
the first one.
Yeah. When I do, it will be like this. In nail, like this color, become like this.
Okay.
Oh, this is so cute. Can I see this?
My nails have never looked this good. Never. Do you hear me? Like, hello? The cuticles, gone. Gone. Non-existent. Like, I don't think y'all seeing this. Yeah. Mary ate that. Or bad.
At the light, turn left onto Zegan Lane.
Alright, y'all. I'm kind of rushing, so that's why I didn't pick up the camera prior to leaving the house. But I'm in the car now on the way to my hair appointment. It is Sunday, 10:56. My appointment is 4:11. Thankfully, my friend is doing my hair, so it's not like a appointment, I guess. Wait, I think I'm going the wrong way. Just talking. And
At the next light, turn right.
okay, they'll reroute me. Great. This is not my favorite setup for you guys. I'm waiting until my car mount comes in so that I can put you guys on the dashboard. Hopefully that comes sooner or later, but I'm quite sure it won't be here before I go to vacation. So we on the way there. I'm gonna bring y'all with me so that y'all can see the process. Is this some dish?
Make a U-turn. then
Wow, they
take the
did me
first
all
left
this just to
onto
take a
Ziegler Lane.
U-turn. I should have known that because I think this is a dead end. But whatever.
At the light.
I'm on the way there and I'll see y'all when I get there. I just wanted to check in so y'all know what's going on. I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday. I could probably take this off now. I just didn't want to be outside with it on. Yeah, so y'all gonna see what style I'm getting. TikTok definitely influenced me to do this style. Y'all probably already have a couple ideas.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm leaving by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merged. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't ways like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. 10 full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck, then we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah. All of my hoes get face, she face me. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas better
Comment if you guessed the correct style.
fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply
Take it, baby, baby, take it, love me.
Heart is hard to carry after dark. Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it. And I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So. how I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't stay it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess I should've stayed? You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared, bitch, me ain't either. I second guess I should've stayed. Cause you know what's on my mind, so
Hair is done. Super cute. This wig is from TikTok shop, iSEE hair company. And I'm actually obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. Like, hello. This is the half wig. We was able to put it on like this. Yeah. So it's real cute, real girly, real vacation ready. I might pack with y'all too. But that won't be till later this coming week. Probably Thursday night. Nails from yesterday. Super cute. Hair today. Thank you.
It's a light day. Ain't got on them by 700,000 worth. That's it. You know what I'm saying? I was having trust issues, but I've been having way better luck since you. I never true love with you. To myself, I don't wanna fall in love with you. Rolling on the E-way speeder. Friday just started the weekend. XR texting you responding. We gon' go crazy with responding. Will you